Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Dear students, now in this video, we will see the work of wind. Now, the exposed soft rocks are weared away faster than the hard rocks. Thus, the breakup of the smooth rocks leave behind tabular mass. It may remain up to the altitude of 30 to 50 meters. These residual tabular masses of rock are known as J.A.T. They run in a parallel sequence. At last, the soft layers are completely eroded, disappear, and the J.A.T collapse on the surface ground. Thus, J.A.T in the deserts are tabular masses of rocks. Every J.A.T consists of a pedestal of comparatively soft rocks capped by harder rock above. J.A.T is a product of differential wind erosion by wind-borne sand material. The next feature, that is the landforms of wind deposition. Now, as the wind is continuous deposits the eroded material in the deserts, such features they are found as like the loess. Now, the loess is the material which is continuously deposited. Deposition of fine particles by wind action fairly away from the hearts of the deserts is termed as loess deposition. The fine particles may be silt or dust that can be carried hundreds of kilometers away from the parent area or the area of origin. Chemically, loess consists of clay with grains of lime, mica, feldspar and quartz. Loess particles bear coherent property. Loess deposition is generally found on the borders of desert areas. It may cover extensive areas. These are specially found round the margins of arid heart of Central Asian desert. In northwestern China, loess is fine deposition of wind-borne character, rich in lime content. It is yellow in color. Depth of loess in China ranges from 100 to 300 meters. It has covered about 6,50,000 square kilometer of area in China. Loess has been transported from Gobi Desert. It has superimposed irregularities on the way. It is compact mass गरुण आहे वाटतं. It has superimposed irregularities on the way. It is compact mass of soil deposition. However, rivers can cut deep valleys through the loess deposition due to their previous nature. Loess is physically extreme porous deposition and rainwater percolates quickly into it. Provided with irrigation, it is fertile, but lack of water supply in natural state, it is dry soil. Hence, dry soil. Loess is physically extreme porous deposition and rainwater percolates quickly into it. Provided with irrigation, it is fertile, but lack of water supply in natural state, it is dry soil. It may contain roots of plants and fossils of certain organisms. In China, Lowest deposit bottoms are cut into gorges for they are used as highways. Other areas of lowest deposition in the world are central parts of USA, central parts of Europe, Mississippi, Danube, Rhine basins, pampas, grasslands of South America. Now, the next feature of wind deposition are the dunes. Now, dunes are the depositional features which are found in the deserts. Now, these are also known as the sand dunes. Sand dunes are formed as a result of deposition of the coarse particles of sand at the cost of same obstruction in the way. However, formation of sand dunes depend upon following factors. That is, number 1, strong current of wind. Second, enough supply of sand. Number 3, obstruction on the way.